My name's Siddika Osman. I'm the CEO of Nkgwete IT Solutions. Nkgwete IT Solutions has a national footprint across South Africa and a team of 150 engineers across all 9 provinces in South Africa. We currently support 32,000 devices and do a call volume of 6,000 tickets. So our growth goals and the target markets that we will be pursuing are medium to large enterprises with 500 or more seats in the financial, manufacturing, retail and call center space. And we'll be able to do this all across South Africa because of our geographical footprint. Nkgwete IT Solutions is a level 1 BBB-EE organization, which is majority black female owned. Our workforce, our technical team is made up of 40% female engineers, and my management team comprises of 40% females as well. This is very important to me. I started in the ICT industry 30 years ago as one of the few females in a technical team, and later on one of the first females in the ICT management team as well. And I then made a decision that I will contribute towards empowering women in the ICT space because I had personally experienced what it was like to be one of the first women technically and in a management team.